We are learning more this hour after a Wisconsin judge accused of helping a man illegally living here in the U.S. evade authorities has now been indicted by a federal grand jury. Judge Hannah Dugan was arrested last month as part of the Trump administration's immigration crackdown. That arrest drawing both praise and criticism across the country. Correspondent Rich McHugh is live with the details. So, Rich, what is the latest now with Judge Dugan?
Hi, Nichole. Well, look, in 3 weeks, she's gone from a little-known judge in Wisconsin to essentially the face of the immigration debate across the United States, and the latest example of Trump's war on the courts here in the United States. Judge Hannah Dugan indicted yesterday by a federal grand jury on charges of helping an immigrant living in the country illegally to evade immigration officers who were looking to arrest him. She was accused of knowingly concealing a migrant and telling U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, who had a valid warrant, that they needed a different type of warrant to carry out their search. Dugan was also charged with directing the migrant to leave the courtroom through a non-public jury door to avoid immigration authorities. He was arrested outside. Judge Dugan was arrested a week later. After her arrest, her attorney said she's committed to the rule of law and the principles of due process for her entire career. Yesterday, in a statement he gave to us, he says the indictment, as she said, her unnecessary arrest, Judge Dugan asserts her innocence and looks forward to being vindicated in court. The Trump administration has defended the prosecution and says no one is above the law.
It doesn't matter what line of work you're in. If you break the law, we will follow the facts and we will prosecute you.
But many Democrats and more than 150 former state and federal judges condemned the move in a letter to Pam Bondi, calling the arrest of Judge Dugan an attempt to intimidate the judiciary. Now, if convicted on both counts, she faces up to 6 years in prison, Nichole, and she is due back in court on those charges for an arraignment tomorrow morning.
Wow, yeah, really interesting case here. All right, Rich, thank you.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.